Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Ask a Ninja from one of our videos. It was the 5 tools to control crawl space humidity. I'll put a link to that video down below. And they were wanting to ask, apparently their budget does not allow them to do a full encapsulation. And they were asking what are some of the first steps that they should do to control humidity, and is sealing the vents only a good idea? Stay tuned. So if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basements, crawl spaces, indoor air quality. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, and follow us on Facebook. So we got a comment from Amy, and Amy writes, we have a lot of moisture problems in our 1950 concrete block house. I'm not sure if we can manage encapsulation right now. Would sealing the vents help bring down the humidity level even with the crawl space that's not encapsulated? We live in northern Pennsylvania. Cold winters with cold and uninsulated wood floors and humid summers with no central air. We're just trying to figure out the first step that we should take to start dealing with the moisture issues. Thanks. Okay, Amy, sounds like you got a lot of different issues going on there. First of all, Pennsylvania is humid. It's hot in the summer. In the wintertime, it's colder than we are here in Tennessee. So you got two situations. Number one, if you seal the vents, like you're talking about doing with no dehumidifier, no active ventilation system in the summer, it's going to just trap the heat and humidity. It's not really going to do a whole lot. And I don't really see it really separating much from the outside humidity to the inside humidity. Now, in the winter, you may actually see a benefit from sealing the vents because you could, depending on what you use to seal the vents, you could be keeping that cold air, that draft from coming in and potentially freezing pipes and things like that. I had a friend of mine that lived in Pittsburgh, so I used to go up there and visit with him. So I know it can get really cold up there, and I assume you're more north than that. But if you're gonna seal the vents, I would probably maybe block them off in the winter and not in the summer. I don't see you seeing a huge benefit for sealing the vents in the summer. Plus, if you seal the vents year round without some kind of active ventilation system, you could, if you're in a bad part of the country where you have soil gases and radon potentials, you could actually be creating a soil gas problem. At least with the vents open, the air has the ability to move the soil gases out as they are created. So just keep that in mind. What I would recommend you do is try to do anything you can to get yourself an active ventilation system along with some good foam board to seal the vents and a dehumidifier. This way you're addressing the soil gas issue. You're also keeping the cold air out in the winter while keeping the crawl space dry in the summer. Don't worry about insulating. Don't worry about a vapor barrier. That dehumidifier will run constantly until you get plastic down. If you could throw down some loose laid plastic, at least it would help. It's not the ideal situation, but I understand, you know, you may be on a budget or something like that, and I would certainly recommend trying to do those 3 things first. Dehumidification, seal all the vents but one, have that active ventilation system blow the air out to take care of those soil gases while controlling humidity in the summer and blocking out that cold air in the winter. Hope that helps you and your family. Sorry to hear you all are having such an issue. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.